Hello Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your July the 24th to July the 27 reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. No? Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live sessions, dun din po yan sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi nyo maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And I want you to know, Scorpio, that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So magsimula na tayo. I feel like you are about to get free from the kung ano man itong bumabalakid, no? Sa inyong progress. It could be, may problema tayo sa finances, may problema tayo sa mga tao sa paligid natin when it comes to our workplace, no? Yung iba naman, no, hapyawan ko lang to ng very light and then we will focus on the romance side. Yung iba naman, I feel like kung kayo itong incarcerated na nakakulong, no, makakalaya na. Kung kayo naman itong may inaantay, no, makakalaya na itong si person. One thing's for sure. I feel like with the authority in here, I feel like either this is a parole, no, or you're gonna be proven that hindi ganun ka heavy, no, ang ginawa nitong taong ito. Forgiveness is gonna be given. For financial, I am seeing that someone is going to probably help you with the finances. When it comes to the workplace, I feel like you're gonna be given this chance to bounce back. No, so ayan, nahapiyawan ko na. Let's go ahead with the relationship. I feel like you'll be freeing yourself from anxiety. No, whatever it is that you're thinking, that you are depressing on, sabihin natin, in the past, no, medyo sobrang gulong-gulo yung isip natin. Ang dami nating mga sleepless nights, no? Dahil itong person natin ay umalis or nagkaroon tayo ng separation, whether ikaw or your person mo ang umalis, one thing's for sure, there is a separation in here. But I'm also seeing na mayroon ditong parang hindi laging natutulog, no? Sa kakaisip, ano bang nangyari? Ako ba ang mali? Bakit napunta sa ganito itong sitwasyon nyo ni person? You know what? Communication is about to happen. Explanations are about to be given. Parang ito yung sinasabi nating makakahinga tayo, no? Parang merong isang malaking buntong hininga na masasabi natin na, ay, salamat, eto din yung inaantay ko, no? Salamat kasi sinagot din itong tanong, no? With the Five of Pentacles in here, let's clarify this. Five of Pentacles, kasi I felt like hindi tayo makakilos ng maayos no? Parang feeling natin binagsakan tayo ng langit at lupa or napalaman tayo ng langit at lupa, no? Dahil sa away, no? So for a few numbers of you, I felt like you were placed on a third party situation, no? Parang hindi ninyo kinaya itong nangyari na nagsinungaling sa inyo. I feel like with the Seven of Swords in here, medyo na ano tayo dito na-betray ang trust natin. So, nagkaroon talaga ng away. Whether ikaw, itong humiwalay, I feel like si person is nagmamadaling bumalik, no? There are attempts in here for your person to reach out. Kung naka-block itong person na ito, I feel like gagawa at gagawa siya ng paraan to reach out to you. The Hangman, the Queen of Cups, the Five of Cups, the Five of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. Siguro nagtatanong tayo dito, saan ako nagkamali? Saan ako nagkulang? Anong ginawa ko para maranasan ko to? Ang daming self-pity. Ang laging tanong mo, yung sarili mo. May mga panghihinayang din dito, no? Sana pala hindi ko masyadong binigay. Itong tiwala ko, sana pala hindi ako ganun masyadong nagseryoso, no? I feel like you are trying your best to place your attention to probably work, earning money, to a new set of new hobby, no? Basta wag lang dito sa relationship. With the Five of Cups, the Seven of Wands, and the Three of Wands. Kasi nung una, nung nagkaroon ng separations, kahit ikaw na yung nagawa ng mali, ikaw pa yung lumapit, no? Humingi ng explanations, humingi ng chance para ayusin. But I feel like you were pushed then. Ang sakit naman ng ginawa sa'yo dito. You're still waiting pero dumaan yung panahon na parang nawalan ka na ng gana, no? For nababalik pa itong person mo. Yes, you might be in that kind of situation. Kaya nga sabi ko, ang dami mo naisip in the past. But I feel like eto na, no? Biglang susulpot si person, magpapaliwanag. The Hangman in here, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Nine. So, na-trauma tayo, Scorpio. So, yes, sabihin natin, susulpot si person, pero nandun na yung wall. Kumbaga, I'm seeing this in metaphor, ha? Or pwede rin naman, this is what's gonna happen in real life. Kasi nakakita ko dito parang symbol of, kausap mo siya, pero meron talagang wall, no? Kumbaga merong gate ba yan, or what have you. Nagkikita kayo, pero hindi kayo pwedeng maghawakan. Parang, you still have guards, no? Naririnig kita, naririnig mo rin yung sinasabi ko. Pero I'm not yet ready para patuloyin ka, no, sa bahay kasi nandun yung trauma. Hindi pa ako ready na patuloyin kang fully sa puso ko kahit inaantay kita. I think that what I am just waiting in here is the explanation. Siguro mapapatuloy lang kita kapag nakita ko yung sincerity, nakita ko talaga yung changes, no? Yung mga pagbabago sa'yo na gusto mo talagang i-work itong connection. I feel like kung nawalan tayo dito ng boses, nawalan tayo ng power sa relationship, this is the time wherein your person's going to hand you the throne. Sige, ikaw na mag-drive ng connection. Ipapakita ko sa iyo na willing ako for a change. Willing akong ayusin itong relationship natin. Ayun. Pero nakikita ko dito yung takot, no? Yung trauma talaga na meron kang wall. Tignan natin ang emotion. This could be your emotion. This could be your person's emotion too. I love you to the moon and back a million times and I want to hold you in my arms. So, meron talaga ditong pagka-mess meron talaga ditong sabihin natin yung pangungulila, no? Sa init ng pagmamahal. Ayan. So, this is a process, no? Scorpio, for you to fully embrace the person back. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, or Virgo, uh, Scorpio, baka kapwa Scorpio ito, Pisces, Cancer, uh, did I just say Sagittarius, right? Ang lakas ng Scorpio ha, baka kapwa Scorpio talaga. Sagittarius and Leo, so doon lang siya umikot, no? So this is a Capricorn, there you go. So this is your reading, Scorpio. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin. Subscribe po kayo dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung gusto niyo rin pong sumali sa ating, kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, no? Nandun po yung link ng aking website. So sa website po, pwede po kayong, nandun po yung question form. Pwede kayong magtanong, nandun po yung payment, how much per question, the QR codes, no? Lahat po nandun po yan. Pwede nyo pong i-avail, no? Also, the 4 questions plus 1, that's a promotional, a discounted price. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. Sa pinakababa po, pakicheck na lang yung information. No? Si Scorpio, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. Pwede pa rin po kayong magtanong. No? Pwede pa rin kayong sumali sa ating raffle for free reading. All you just need to do is to report those 2 fake accounts, and then screenshot, email it to the email na naka-send po doon, specifically, naka-post specifically for the fake accounts, no? So, this is your reading, Scorpio. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.